that chart shows the information that has come from the fourth National Climate Assessment put forward by the Trump administration, by the combined work of the EPA, NOAA, the Department of Energy, and several other agencies within the government. And it shows their estimate of the best work of their scientists, of the impact of human activity versus natural activity on climate change or climate disruption. That chart, I hope can you see that okay?
Yeah.
That first column, that red column, is a human-caused impact from the Trump administration's EPA and fellow agency report. Solar activity, solar flare activity, which is often raised. Volcanic activity, which is often raised. Which of these bars, the red, the orange, or the green, is the highest?
Obviously the red.
The red, the human-caused activity. Is it dramatically different from the impact of solar-caused activity?
Could you please briefly summarize what methodology was used to measure that increment of human activity?
Yes, I can. But as an expert on the atmosphere, I would think you actually have a better command of that. But the scientists looked at the carbon dioxide and its impact on raising temperatures and how much was created by volcanic activity or how much temperature indirectly was caused by solar activity, solar flares and so forth. And then human activity, the primary function is release. There's some other global warming gases. I'm sure you're familiar, but the primary activity is the burning of fossil fuels and the production of carbon dioxide. And so is there a dramatic difference between the human-caused impact and the solar impact?
Yes.
And I know you have said before you're not a scientist, but this is the Trump administration's report. Do you accept the results of this report?
I view this report really as the product of the past administration and not of this president. It was I think, up for a certain draft of it before the National.
So when you told me
Sciences.
when you told me that you would look to the scientists for insight, and the scientists produced these numbers, you're now rejecting them?
There are all different types of there are many differences, a credible difference of opinion among climate scientists.
Well, this is the combined work of the administration released by the Trump administration that you're asking to work for, but you're rejecting their findings.
I think we need a precise explanation of the role of the human contribution.